So we say meditation and do this thing, that thing, but you know how much powerful meditation is for manifestation. We are going to talk about this topic in this particular video. My name is Ikam, and I welcome each one of you in this YouTube channel Decode Destiny, where we talk about spirituality, manifestation, law of attraction, and so many other things. So, how meditation aligns you with your desires? It makes your mind clear, give you more clarity, give you more peace of mind. Your thoughts become clear. You do not cling to the thoughts, and then you can focus easily and effortlessly. It also clears your mental clutter and raises your vibration. Okay, and you already know how much important is to raise your vibrational frequency. Also, it helps you focus on your goals with clarity. Clarity is power, and when you are having the clarity, you can be clear of the goals and the desires which you want to manifest into your life. It's that simple. Okay. Also, there are many types of meditation, but what you can do is start with breathing, then go to square breathing. Square breathing is like breathing is normal. Breathe in, breathe out. So this is number one, long breathing or deep breathing. Number two, square breathing. We breathe in for 4 seconds. One. We hold for 4 seconds. We breathe out for 4 seconds. We hold for 4 seconds. So this is square breathing. Then there is nostril breathing. You breathe in from one, hold, breathe out. So this is pranayam. You already know it. So it's powerful technique which you can do it every morning and add into your manifestation meditation. Okay, to raise your vibrational frequency. Then I use also fire meditation, where you are breathing out multiple times and you're doing it extremely fast. Okay, so you can search Kapalbhati Pranayam on YouTube and you can just practice it. You are breathing in and out extremely fast, which makes you breathless. That is fire breathing. You can then do at night Tratak meditation. You light a candle in front of you, you see it, and just do not blink your eyes. So you can do that also. Okay, there are many types of meditation for manifestation. What you can do is, I have told you many. Other than this, two more I'm going to tell you. Visualization meditation is that which you're imagining your goal as it is already achieved, the mind movie which I talk about. Okay, then affirmation meditation, where you are focusing on the statement and you are repeating that statement in order to align your reprogram your subconscious mind, in order to align your frequency and reprogram your subconscious mind. Okay, so you will be repeating positive affirmations during meditation. Then you can do gratitude meditation, where you are focusing on the things which you are thankful for. Okay, these are all different meditations which you can do. You have so many options now, you cannot complain. How to meditate for beginners? So find a quiet space, close your eyes and focus on your breath. Start with 5 minutes and gradually increase the duration. Okay, then you will be finding more guided meditation in the upcoming videos. Okay, if God permits and if God has the will. So these are some things which you can do before practicing any technique of law of attraction, because it's gonna help you a lot. And meditation plays a very significant role in manifestation, which you can only find out when you actually experience it happening in your life. Om Namah Parvati Pate Har Har Mahadev.